At Flock, I think we often do things that feel impossible.
If we haven't gotten to the point where it breaks physics, we haven't gone deep enough.
It never feels like there is one part of this company that's stalling. We went from being a license plate reading company to now we're making drones.
Our mission matters at Flock because of how important it is to the communities to get this right.
Since I've joined here, there have been so many different products and things that seemed impossible from the get-go, and now I don't think that there's anything that we can't solve.
What makes engineering at Flock great is the impact you can have.
I get to see actual crime being solved by code that I'm writing.
As an engineer, the mission matters to me in a way that's, I don't know, it's kind of indescribable. Like, you're not just like making a change that makes a number on a graph go up or down, you're actually, saving a life.
I wake up every day feeling fulfilled that what I'm doing is making an impact in the communities around me. It also makes me feel like I have ownership and some responsibility to represent people just like myself. And this company allows me to have a voice.
I think Flock is a place where you can kind of make your own destiny.
The people-focused sort of approach that Flock has allows you as an individual the opportunity to explore your career and take different paths and learn different things.
There has never been a time where I had to advocate for myself because Flock was already advocating for me. They were giving me raises, they were giving me promotions, they were putting me in positions of leadership. The minute I felt like I was maybe ready to do something, I was already in a position where I was asked to do that.
The culture at Flock is very fun.
Yeah, there are many opportunities for engineers to come in and just try experimentation.
Everybody is very collaborative. You can always message anybody.
Don't be scared to think about things a little different.
Everyone can give their wildest ideas and we go through them one by one.
Some companies, it's hard to think you have a voice if you are not a manager or not a leader. At Flock, we do a really great job of making sure that everybody's opinion is valued.
We are not just a neighborhood company anymore. We are a nationwide company providing technology to some of the biggest cities, the biggest communities in the country.
Every couple seconds, another crime is solved, a missing person gets returned.
If we get an alert out just a couple seconds sooner, that could potentially save a life.
We have to act like a first responder, so we have to act, we have to be decisive.
Every day, we are helping to make the world a safer place.
The work we're doing today creates thriving communities for generations to come, and we're just getting started. Join us in building the impossible.